chopping up Sarita fish to test for radiation, one of the top food catches in East and Southeast Asia. This Taiwan lab has been ramping up its testing capacity since Japan began releasing wastewater from the Fukushima nuclear plant into the Pacific Ocean last year. The move was approved by the UN's Atomic Energy Agency, but it has resulted in bans on Japanese seafood in some countries and public outcry in others, including here in Taiwan. This is Taiwan's first dedicated lab to test for tritium, a radioactive substance that's dangerous if consumed in large amounts. And unlike other radioactive substances in Fukushima wastewater, tritium cannot be filtered out.
氚这个部分它没办法做去除的动作，它会超过一些国际标准和一个国家标准，所以他们目前的做法就是稀释，那这个氚就变成一个是我们要去关注的合种，因为它的风险比较高。
Tritium can be dangerous when ingested, inhaled, or absorbed in large amounts, increasing the risk of cancer. Tritium limits for drinking water vary between countries, between 740 becquerels per liter to 30,000, a measure of how much radioactivity is there. In Taiwan, the limit is 740. Tritium levels in wastewater from the Fukushima plant are diluted well below Japan's operational limit of 1,500 becquerels per liter. In Taiwan, scientists are keeping a close watch with just 10 becquerels per liter as a mark for further testing. There's two steps to the testing. The first is to test the water in the fish's body. Now they do that by freeze-drying the meat to isolate the water particles. And if the initial results come out to over 10 becquerels per liter, that means there's likely more tritium bound actually to the fish's flesh. The fish is then burned and dried in this machine, which collects and cools the steam given off, to be tested here, confirming just how much tritium is in the fish. Scientists say this helps with transparency, which is why they also post their results online. But they also note that low levels of tritium occur naturally in the atmosphere, and so reducing levels to zero is not the goal.
氚本来就是存在自然界中，所以你们不可能会有零。但我们只能说，就是我们检测到数值都是在法规之下。
With decades to go until all the wastewater is released from Fukushima, scientists here continue to expand testing. They use these high-purity germanium detectors to inspect radioactivity in over 35,000 food items a year. They say their efforts will not only help put the public at ease, but will also help the scientific world better understand possible long-term effects. Patrick Chen, Justin Wu, and Joyce Tseng for TaiwanPlus.